Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Danrie from Craft of Giving. Whether you want to make this for your own dad, your baby's daddy, your adopted dad, your stepdad, any father figure in your life, hell, even your fur baby daddy, let's make them feel special. With Father's Day being just around the corner, I wanted to share a couple of gift ideas where we can make something simple, cost effective, and still make that father figure in your life feel special. Now you can go ahead and get a mug or a tumbler like I have and fill it with your person's favorite chocolate or lollies, and then add a simple little tag on it that says Happy Father's Day, a little memo or message on the back, and gift that as the Father's Day gift. Totally up to you how much money you want to spend, how much thought you want to put into it, or even how much time you have. This was such a fun little gift to put together, and you can totally customize it based on their preferences or likes for cups, mugs, chocolates, etc. For the next idea, this is a little Father's Day bouquet of chocolates, if you like. Now you can totally customize this to the person, whether they're a corporate person, a tradie, or like fun bold colored shirts, totally up to you. Ooh, a little flannel shirt might even be cute. So go ahead and grab a 20 by 20 inch piece of paper and fold it to create this cone. Now I'm using double-sided tape here to hold it all together to create the front of my very corporate looking Father's Day bouquet. To create my corporate looking jacket, I'm just pushing my little bouquet cone down, cutting a simple slit into the front middle part and creating a little collar. Now the excess paper here, I'm just cutting and trimming back so you can't see that, and then removing my temporary tape that held my cone in place while I attached my double-sided tape. To complete my little corporate shirt, I'm using a beautiful one-sided piece of paper. So the camera didn't pick it up, but it had this beautiful glossy glittery effect. Now because I want that glittery effect to be on the collar, I'm making sure that it's facing down. So once we cut it and fold it back, that you will see the effect on the collar. So make sure to check your paper before you glue it into place, and then simply cut another slit inside, lining it up with the jacket's little slot, and then fold those back down and then create the little collar. Now you can go one step above or beyond here and create like a little bow tie or a tie, depending on that father figure or your father's preferences. I went ahead with a simple white button and then the 3 blue ones to create a smart casual corporate look. To complete this gift, go ahead and add some stuffing down the bottom of the cone just to support the chocolate so they don't slide all the way down the bottom. You can go ahead and use lollies for this feature as well if you wanted to gift some extra lollies. I filled this with my father figure's favorite chocolate, so this is actually going to my partner, who is my fur baby daddy, and went ahead and added I love dad in there to gift to him from our dogs. Now it's safe to say he will not be sharing any of this with me or the dogs. I made the little simple sign using just some cardboard and then glued that onto a very large clean skewer and inserted that into our little bouquet ready for gifting. I know my partner will love this because this is all his favorite chocolates. For gift idea number 3, go ahead and grab your father figure's favorite drink and let's wrap it up. Now it can be alcoholic or it can be non-alcoholic, totally up to you and that person's preference. Let's make it fun though by wrapping it up in some pretty paper. Be sure to only secure one side of the box because we do have to add the beverages back into the box, and I'm just going to be cutting some slits into the top opening where the bottles' heads will come back through. Now if you're a young person, please get an adult to help you with this because we do not want any cut fingers. Once you have your box all wrapped up and the little tops cut open, go ahead and add the beverages back into the box. Now I'm only putting 4 back in here because I also want to add some chockies for this person to enjoy. Go ahead and secure the other side. Now if you have little ones, this would be such a fun project for them to decorate the box. You can add some writing on there or some stickers, some pictures, totally up to you. Make it special. Now to ensure the chocolates once again don't go falling around inside the box, I've gone ahead and added some extra support / stuffing and added a couple of their favorite chockies. Once again, go ahead and decorate any way you like. I went ahead with some simple fun stickers to write Papa and XOX because it's gifted with love. For gift number 4, last but not least, go ahead and create a fun little frame picture for Dad to enjoy. Now I picked out the biggest, bluest button I could find in my stash of buttons and picked out a pretty little frame to match. Go ahead and trim a backing piece of paper, again any color you like, totally up to you, and I'm using sticky dots to secure my button into place. Now this one is really my favorite because I love puns. Now any dad out there should love puns, and if they don't, that's okay. But this is especially for my pun-loving dads. Go ahead and write a beautiful little message onto your backing piece of paper. Now you can print this if you don't have a neat handwriting, but I like the handwriting touch because it just creates that little bit of homemade feel to it. And there you have it, 4 easy, fun ways to make that father figure in your life feel special. It doesn't cost a lot of money, it just takes a little bit of time and creativity. If you liked the video, as always, give me a big old thumbs up, leave me a comment down below. What are you gonna make for your father or father figure this Father's Day? Thank you for watching, remember to be crafty with your giving, and I'll catch you next time. Bye!